Alright, so hey guys, in this particular tutorial, I'm going to talk about how you can download your own videos from the Groove Videos if you have uploaded your Groove videos to the Groove Video platform. So now Groove is always providing one option. Using that particular option, you can able to download your videos. I'm in my Groove Videos right now. So let's say that. Uh, let me go ahead and see that if there is any small video which I can show you guys after downloading it. So let's say this is a 1 minute testimonial video. So I'm just going to, I think, going to links, and on the links, I will be getting an option video hosted page, and you see that there are two buttons: allow download and autoplay. And there is a third option which is for the source file URL. So it is just to play the video. So if you want to share just a video to someone, you can use this particular link, and you can share it with anyone. They can use it and play the video if you want to share. And this particular video player is a widget, so you can use this video to any particular third party application as well on another builder to embed this particular video. So from here, if I click on this particular button, allow download, and then copy this particular link, go to the new tab and paste it in here, then search it. So now you can see that I have the video in front of me, as well as I also have the download option. So when I click on download, this video will get downloaded in my system. I just clicked on it, and this way my system is not responding. Now you can see that it is asking the folder name where I want to save this particular video. When I click on download, now here I'll click on save, and it will get downloaded. Sure. Now you see that it's downloading in here. Here it is. And when I go to my downloads area, you see that the video is downloaded, the Mohan Achwal video. So in the same way, if I close this page, I go to my video library, and if I turn off this particular button which says allow download, and then when I copy the URL again, paste it in here, then that download button will disappear or maybe get faded. So it will be not activated. You see that download button is gone. So this is how, if you want to download your button, you can able to download it from your own uh, builder if you lost that video somehow from your computer system. I hope you like this video. If you like this, give the thumbs up. Share this video to any of your friend who is in the group who wants to know about this particular feature, and please do subscribe the channel. For more information, please look into the description area. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.